ki khubor ka Batesi TV. Lawan Rashapi taka Frank Motors. Booking open for the new Nexon. Visit Frank Motors or call 7045207973.
MIT University of Meghalaya. Our admissions are now open for the academic year 2024-25. Explore our best courses, experience global collaborations. Apply today.
National President juga National People Party berderu Menteri Rangba juga Jela Meghalaya ukon rat kisangma ringkat bu State President wa Preston Tensong hakak khandai trik urampang araja apusau lep diang buram ki arngut ki MDC ka Kongres juga seng NPP badiau MDC berim juga sorau ba Donovan ki Wanlang ki arngut ki MDC ki kentob MDC juga Kongres na mau kerwat uba karne sok syang berwei par udiu MDC ka Kongres na mai rang ba Cameron Tathiang Kajing Pynïasoh jang kini kilai ngut cak NPP kelong ruk komisi bentawan penklan syuk ya ke NPP nak bentak election Lok Sabha ke ban selong shen ha kini ki kendiat benai bat kum juru nak bentak election MDC ke belak mi lenti bahkan dang long la kumnu ha ki benai bakhat do jong uni usnam ha kini ki sngi la sak hilang daki MLA jang ke NPP bakin thop lang ru ki MDC ke HADC ki bedai ru nak parti NPP
Pak Donovan. Thank you, sir. I request Mas Ngaban to kindly.
Kini kesni kebakrau hamtam yang banyo donlang ban ronglang ha kini banyo trailang bat kini kan National People Party. Lai baka jingtai jong ka party kalong kawaraba hadu kata bat kumta nga kong XMDC menempo sora deploy bani donlang bani trailang bat kini ka party nawar ngiyoi babon kike kiba uchi minister ujongi lolet. Sir, in your leadership as a Chief Minister and with the council of your minister, I have seen the developmental work as accelerated in our state. I have seen, sir, the state is moving forward with your various schemes and programs which benefit touching the common people at large. That is why myself also with this achievement of the party, now I am joining the party, the MPP party.
Terpangai aku apa ni tu hamni nadu kesni bagi perkat ban rumah NPP ngidon ni jing sania baskam bat kamtam nasno shan bandrung hangnir kabat kinong tri jonga kinong kersan jong parti Kongres boro judon boro kata namar ngidon hangni sa Preston ako ba na kubleis the honorable deputy chief minister Mas Bahalang bat ilaling yalong secretary hapo ka parti kum kinong tri jong ka youth Kongres mosa yadang po ngidon hangni yai minister Dr. Amperin Rundok Dangshan ngidang dan lang haju ke parti ila sedang nyalam nobi khmat shwa election bali arjar pulai madam tulisbun kila long sisa nong putinunti yang bakiwi ki minister kiba judan Kongres dapat mention sa etimondal Iwi isa kami wan lodan hani kumpi minister ibadai nak Kongres kiwi ki MLA wadan buram jungi ki MDC wadan hani nanamla abancar kerteng ya pi paro akdik por Kebeli pi ki amli badan brom, ki ex amli, ki MDC, ki am ki badan hangni. Kapan pempau ijin ai kebeli terpang, ya ki kolek jonga MDC, bat IM atau ka KCDC. Kibalalong sisa kinong ono kinong aibor nga kumno mangan join ha kini ka party kan bat kinong tri jonga. Laslam ha kajisa kaladon kajing persang ba ngirung no sa party NPP Henry namar ba kajing dawa jong kapor bangihap ban sutu rengkar bat kinong tri kinong kersan kasimpora do kata-kata Henry kamslam bat manta ngilalong no kum kawe kajing kasambat pi ka party NPP.
I come to join as one of your family member in this evening just because of one reason. Please use me and help me so that I can serve firstly my people of my rank, and whatever best I will be able to contribute something for the state as a whole. Use me as one of a tool. And shortly, I want to tell you, when I was in my college, when I was doing my research at that time, I come across through one magazine. And that magazine is written by Stait Parnu Sangma. He talks so much about the tribal unity. In a larger aspect, we the common people, we don't understand that we, the tribal, in politics, we keep on dividing. And the people, when we leave one party and join another party, many things they will see. But as a leader, we understand what is inside of our heart. We are here. We don't demand anything. We sacrifice everything just to build up for the betterment and the future of our people. And there is one thing that you see nowadays in our northeast politics. The mainland India will not hear us if we keep on dividing. So I found that this party will lead us to a way that we can unite together. This party contested an election in Manipur, contested an election in Mizoram. We are proud because this party, the founder of this party, belongs to the Meghalaya, and he is the Meghalayan who made our Northeast proud, and he left the legacy behind. And at the same time, as a tribal politician, we should stop speaking one another. We should unite one force so that our voice will be heard by the mainland India. As one scholar says, if we give those people who keep on talking about people, say something about others, their minds are cheap. But those people who keep on telling about the events, their minds are average. But those people who keep on discussing about the ideas how to build up the society, their minds are great.
Pi kalajan, Muslim shu baka notification kasawan, ngaskawan ong baka ni kate ka test kaban nengkong yangi, haka bagi hap ban penjok lalong sa kumnuru ya i Dr. Amprin Lindok. Ya Dr. Amprin mdon shu bam itu kayin kasen jong idei i paratrai jong iba arji Lindok ngatai ba piatip ba kumju ima Peter ma bajang uwe na kiriu krau jong ka jela ka jongi obala syakri ya ka jela hadu bangin yo ia kada ka klipmat ka ba kumta ngakwa ban og ya pi ba i Dr. Amprin lawan pa na kayin kasen ka ba syakri ki ba nadu katukapor hadin nanta inmen jong ima arji Lindok bat menta kapoy ha ka haka long ren yen jong I ba in nang beteng susu ya ka jing sakri te ki long kme ki long pa ki kon samla ngin ya tresu tom namar kata ngiyo ya ka feedback ka babiang te rei ngan nam ai ka feedback ka babiang namario ile ya thia la ning ya song jai tu jai pade ngasukwa ban ong pi tongin nang tresu tom susu nang de sakman.
I never expected that the National People's Party would have such a wonderful and a great team. You can see it yourself. You would have never expected maybe 5 years, 6 years, 10 years back that the National People's Party would grow to this level and would have leaders of this quality, of this capability, today leading the party forward. It is truly, truly a blessing from above. And this has become possible because of all the love and hard work from all of you. And I must officially, as the national president of the party, congratulate our state president, Mr. Preston Tinsong, and all the working presidents and all the office bearers of the state committee and all the district committees and all the frontal organization. I congratulate you on building up this wonderful team. I think they all deserve a round of applause. It is truly, truly amazing to see this team. And I was telling our state president that if you were to compare, and I don't wish to compare it in that way, but since I don't have a choice, so I have to compare, that if you were to compare the state unit and the kind of quality of the leaders we have to any other political parties, office bearers and leaders you have, you see it yourself. I'm not trying to bring anybody down. I'm not trying to bring anybody down. All political parties are great, everybody's got a great team. But if you look at the quality of the people that is there in the National People's Party today, and you compare it to any other political party's team, I think the National People's Party team is far, far ahead in terms of quality and capability. I can say that with full confidence. And you can see it right in front of you today. It's not that I'm making this up. And that is really what today is the strength of the party. And really by the joining of all our senior leaders today who have joined us, Ba Donovan, Ba Karnes and Ba Batskem, it is really another boost to the party, and I'm sure that with their capability, with their support and with their contribution, the party will further grow and become much, much more stronger in the state of Meghalaya.
Citizen first is our motto. We believe that our citizens need to be connected with government for faster and efficient service delivery. I am happy to announce that we are coming up with a dedicated CM helpline call center